Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to be taking a look at this box of goodies from work. This mainly consists of an NVR system. So I guess we'll start off by taking a look at this monitor. You can see it's really dusty. Actually you can't see that, lighting's not really good right now, but there's a ton of dust all over it. The model number of this monitor is the E2060S. And it is the WD variant of that, it looks like. I'll put the specifications of this in the description. It's probably 1280 by whatever the resolution is, but I'm not sure. So the next thing we have in here is this thermostat, and it's kind of dirty, but you know, I have been needing one of these for a while actually, because I want to do some just experiments and stuff with them. So that's pretty nice. I have one of those now. And then the main part of this, like I said, is the NVR system. So this NVR is a Samsung NVR thing. I don't really know too much about it. It is the model SDR 1500N, and it has a 1 terabyte drive in it, so that's nice. And you can see it's not Ethernet or IP camera based, it's whatever that connector is. If somebody knows what that connector is, please tell me. And you can see we have VGA, HDMI, network, and power, along with console and RS-485, whatever that is. And we have 6 of these cameras here. They do have the IR things, the IR emitters for night vision, so that's nice. Samsung, they are SDC 5340 BCN digital color cameras. Oh, so they're color. That's pretty cool. They still have the protective thing over the lenses. So that's nice. There's 6 of them, like I said. We also have a remote for it. Pretty dusty as well. And I think this is the mounting plate for the thermostat. And we have a random Samsung mouse that's still in its plastic wrapping. And we have whatever this cable is. It looks like it's for the cameras, and it's just chopped off at the end. I'll have to figure out how to wire that back up. And then we have in here, this is the power supply, and there's also a VGA cable. And there it's a 12 volt 4 amp power supply, and it has these weird splitter things on it. So that's interesting. And then the last of what's in here is a really long cable for one of the cameras. So I'm not sure how I'm going to be wiring these cameras, but I do plan to implement this system eventually. So it's actually quite a bit later, it's dark outside, and I realized this was going to be a pretty short video. I planned on testing it, but I seem to be missing some sort of adapter, and you probably can't see that because the lighting is absolutely terrible right now and everything's super dark. But basically to power the camera, I need a second one of these power supplies, because they use that connector or a splitter for this. So I can't actually use any of the cameras right now. I'm going to see what I can do about getting another adapter for this, maybe splice this. I don't know if 12 volts 4 amps will be enough to power these. I'm also getting 2 more cameras. There are a couple outside the building that I still have to get. And I only really need 3 of them, but I suppose it would be nice to have 5 extras. I could probably put them somewhere random. I plan on putting one outside my room because people walk back behind my room. Long story behind why that is. And then I plan on putting one in my room and in my basement, and also maybe one in my bedroom because I'm actually moving my bedroom out of this room into the other room across the hall. Anyway, that's all going to be covered in a later video because I have a lot of changes to my setup coming up. So with that said, I think that's going to be it for this video. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.